In this video, I'm going to show you how you can set or change your default formatter in VS Code. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. To do this, open your VS Code Studio and then go to Manage Settings here and click on it, and under this, choose Settings. Now here, scroll down until you see this Editor Default Formatter. By choosing one will help you to define your default format, which takes precedence over all other formatter settings. You have to note that it must be the identifier of an extension contributing a formatter. So I have various extensions that I installed, and I'll wish to use one of them as a formatter. As you can see, currently it is set to none. However, if you wish to choose one, click on this drop down and you can see we have various extensions, and now you can choose any of this to be your default formatter. Once you have selected this, now you can back up and sync your settings to preserve them. So that's how you can change your default formatter in VS Code. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.